Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix World of Tanks not launching or crashing on your PC. Let's get started. Solution 1. Step 1. Open Steam. Open your library. Locate World of Tanks. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair your game. You can also use Official Launcher to repair the game. Open the official World of Tanks launcher. Click on Game Settings. Select Check and Repair. Press Continue and wait for the launcher to finish repairing the game. Solution 2. Right-click World of Tanks in your Steam library. Select Properties. Open Installed Files and select Browse Local Files. Open the NA folder. Open Win64. Right-click worldoftanks.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Disable full screen optimizations. Press Apply and then OK. Launch your game again. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. Install any new driver available. Solution 5. Open the World of Tanks launcher. In the Play button, click on the little arrow. Select Launch in Safe Mode. Solution 6. Open the link in the description of the video. Scroll down and find x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click VC Redist x64 to download it. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for it to install. Press Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for it to install. Restart your PC to apply all changes. And that's it. After completing these steps, World of Tanks should launch normally without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.